Hello, good evening all. Is my voice is audible? Is there anybody else to join the meeting? Please ask your friends to join the meeting quickly so that we can start our session as early as possible. Okay, then let us start our today's session. Good morning, good evening, everyone. We are going to, in upcoming sessions, we are going to discuss about web development. Is there anybody who knows about web development?
Akram, can you please turn off host control? Can you please allow me to turn on my video so
Yes.
that I just wanted to let them.
Yeah.
Okay, uh, guys, inform to your friends to join the session. Fine. Akram, regarding start చేసావా?
Yeah, Nagri.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. This is Nagiredi, founder and chairman of Allspear AI Technologies. I just wanted to give you an intro regarding this internship, how it's going to be. And I just wanted to introduce your trainer, Mr. Akram Basha. So he's going to take up your sessions. And ఇంకొకటి 9 నుంచి ఏంటంటే I just wanted to know, guys, how many of you posted your offer letters in your LinkedIn account? Let me know in comment section, guys. See, ప్రతి ఒక్కరు మాతో ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉంటే మేము ఫ్రెండ్లీగానే ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టాపిక్ నేర్పిస్తాం అన్నమాట. సో నేను ఏం అడిగినా లేదంటే మీ ట్రైనర్ ఏది అడిగినా ఫీల్ ఫ్రీ టు కమెంట్ ఇన్ కమెంట్ సెషన్ ఆర్ ఫీల్ ఫ్రీ టు అన్మ్యూట్ యువర్ మైక్ అండ్ ట్రై టు రెస్పాండ్ టు యువర్ ట్రైనర్. అర్థమవుతుందా? బై గాడ్స్ గ్రేస్ ఓన్లీ 25 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు వెబ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ లో. సో దట్స్ నాతో నాతో అడిగితే 25 మెంబర్స్ కి అప్ స్కిల్ చేయడం చాలా ఈజీ. వీ కెన్ ఈజీలీ మానిటర్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ క్యాండిడేట్ ఇన్ వెబ్ డెవలప్మెంట్. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ గ్లాడ్ టు దట్. ఓకేనా? ఉన్న 25 మెంబర్స్ ప్రాపర్ గా యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకొని ఈ సెషన్స్ అల్టిమేట్ గా 6 మంత్స్ తర్వాత మన చేతుల్లో జాబ్ ఉండాలి అనే విధంగా మీరు వర్కౌట్ చేయగలిగారంటే, సో మీ ట్రైనర్ చెప్పిన ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ప్రకారం మీరు ప్రతి ఒక్కటి నేర్చుకొని ప్రతి ఒక్క క్లాస్ ప్రాపర్ గా విని మీరు నేర్చుకున్నారంటే లిటరల్లీ గైస్, నేను చెప్తున్నా అల్టిమేట్ గా 6 మంత్స్ లోపల మీ చేతుల్లో మీ జాబ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? సో క్లియర్ విత్ మై పాయింట్స్. I don't know why I'm not getting any comments. Okay, let me message. నేనే మెసేజ్ చేస్తాను ఆగండి. సో నేను మీ నుంచి కోరుకునేది ఏది లేదు. జస్ట్ మీ 2 hours వాల్యుయబుల్ టైంని కొంచెం ఇక్కడ కాన్సన్ట్రేటెడ్‌గా పెట్టి మీరు అప్‌స్కిల్ అవ్వాలనేదే మా యొక్క ఇంటెన్షన్. ఇంటర్న్‌షిప్ అంటే ఇట్స్ నాట్ అబౌట్ గెట్టింగ్ సర్టిఫికేట్ గైస్. ఒకటి బాగా అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఇంటర్న్‌షిప్ అంటే సర్టిఫికేట్ తెచ్చుకోవడం కాదు. మీ నార్మల్‌గా ఏ ఇండస్ట్రీ‌లోకెళ్ళినా సర్టిఫికేట్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. స్కిల్ మ్యాటర్స్. ఇదొక్క వర్డ్ మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నారంటే ఈ స్కిల్ డిజైర్ అని లేదంటే ఇంకొక ఇన్‌స్టిట్యూషన్ అని ఆ ₹300 పే చేసి సర్టిఫికేట్స్ తెచ్చుకోవడం కాదు. డెఫినిట్‌గా చెప్తున్నా వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ పెయిడ్ మీరు పే చేసిండే దానికి పక్కా 100% మేము దానికి న్యాయం చేసి మీకు నేర్పిస్తాం. అదే విధంగా కొంతమంది లైక్ ప్లేస్‌మెంట్ అసిస్టెంట్స్ కూడా ఎన్రోల్ అయ్యారు. సో, వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సెగ్రిగేట్ దెమ్ ఔట్. Meanwhile, I request each and everyone to join that freshers group also. So where we are going to post 2026 hiring updates and all in that group. Okay. So hope you guys are clear with my points, right? Do you have any doubts? And one more thing, guys, we have an automated system where it's going to collect your attendance automatically. We are not at all going to take your attendance manually. So we integrated a system. It's going to automate the attendance. Okay. So definitely, guys, I swear, I'm not at all going to give you a certificate when you don't have 80% of your attendance. ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానో ఇది కూడా ఆలోచించండి. అటెండెన్స్ అనేది మ్యాండేటరీ. మీరు అటెండ్ అయితేనే కదా అబ్బా ఏదైనా నేర్చుకుంటారు. సో నేనేదో ఫోర్స్ చేస్తున్నాననేసి అటెండ్ అవ్వడం కాదు. మీలో ఒక ఇంటెన్షన్ ఉండాలి. అరే 6 మంత్స్‌లో నేను జాబ్ తెచ్చుకోవాలనే ఒక్క ఇంటెన్షన్ పెట్టుకోండి. పక్కా అది ఎందుకు రాదో నేను చెప్తా. అదే అటెన్షన్ వస్తది. మీరే రెగ్యులర్‌గా ఈవినింగ్ అయిందంటే 2 అవర్స్ క్లాస్ ముందరనే కూర్చుంటారు. ఓకేనా? Fine, guys. If you have any doubts, I'll be available in group also. You can personally ping me, or else if you have any doubts or anything else, any problems, you just try to ping me or in WhatsApp. I'll be there to help you out, guys. And అదే చెప్తున్నా అల్టిమేట్‌గా లాస్ట్‌లీ వన్ వర్డ్ మీరు మీ 2 అవర్స్ టైమ్‌ని ఇక్కడ యుటిలైజ్ చేసుకొని అప్‌స్కిల్ అవ్వండి. 6 మంత్స్ లోపల మీ జాబ్ మీ చేతుల్లో పెట్టుకోండి. కరెక్ట్‌గా హైరింగ్ సీజన్‌లో ఉన్నారు. ఫెబ్, మార్చ్ మీకు హైరింగ్ సీజన్. అంత లోపల జాబ్‌లొచ్చేయాలబ్బా! అట్లా టార్గెట్ పెట్టుకోండి. ఓపెనింగ్స్ ఇవ్వడానికి నేను రెడీ. దాంట్లో మీరు పక్కాగా నేర్చుకొని జాబ్ తెచ్చుకోవడానికి మీరు రెడీగా ఉన్నారో లేదో అది డిసైడ్ చేసుకోండి. సో, ఈ 3 మంత్స్ సెషన్స్ మీరు ఏదైతే వింటారో సో, దిస్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు డిసైడ్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్. ఓకేనా? సో, క్లియర్ విత్ మై పాయింట్స్ రైట్? Let me know in comment section, guys. Even your trainer also going to ask many questions, so you guys have to answer him so that he'll come to know, right? So whether you guys are listening to class or not. So whether you are confused somewhere else. So anything, guys, you just try to ping in a comment section. So he'll be there to assist you. So if you didn't understand any topic, try to ask him again. So again, try to ask him. Still, you didn't have. I mean, you didn't understand. అర్థమయ్యేంత వరకు అడగండి. అర్థమయ్యేంత వరకు అర్థమయ్యేలాగా చెప్పే బాధ్యత అక్రమ్ భాష తీసుకుంటాడు. ఓకేనా? క్లియర్ కదా? ఓకే గైస్. సో బై సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్, పింగ్ మీ ఓవర్ పిక్చర్. ఓకే. బై.
Thank you, Nagiridi.
ఓకే. ఓకే అక్రమ్.
Okay, let's start our session. Let me know how many of you know Telugu. If you have any doubts, you can place your message in the chat box. Just asking how many of you aware of Telugu language. Nobody is responding. Be interactive in the session. I'm not at all going to ask any questions. Just I'm asking yes or no type of questions. Okay, be interactive in the session. Don't be like simply coming and watching and going. Be interactive in the session so that you can learn more and then you can clarify your doubts accordingly. Okay, okay, let us start our web development class. Just I have asked like previously, how many of you know about web development? Does anybody have any idea regarding it? Just I want to know how whether you people have prior experience regarding web development like that. Nobody having any experience regarding web development. Just try to chart yes or no as well so that I can understand how many of you know or not. Let me tell you one thing. You do not need any coding knowledge right now. We are going to start from scratch. From basic level, we are going to learn everything. No need to hesitate at all. Just try to answer. If you know, type yes. If you don't know, type no. No need to worry. We are going to start from scratch level. From basic level HTML to advanced level, we are going to learn from in this particular sessions. Okay. When you will be more interactive in the session, I can explain more topics so that the session will be more interactive. Kindly reply. Okay. Before we talk, I want to know you about yourself. Just type your name and then from where you are and then which college are you studying and then why you joined this particular course. Let me know yourself, your name, your location, and then why you joined this particular course and then your college name. Just type that particular four questions answer in the particular chat session. Just your name, then your location, then from which college you are from, and then why you joined this particular course. Today we are not at all going to discuss about any coding. Just this is a basic intro session. We are going to discuss about basic things like introduction class. There will be no coding and all. Just this is a introduction class. So kindly reply about your name, your location, and then which college are you from, and then why you joined this particular course, web development alone. I think everybody are typing your message in the chat session. There are 20 members. I'm expecting 20 replies from your side. I'll be waiting for your reply. Only one replied. Gayatri, Nellore, Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology. And then remaining Kartika, Vizag, Vignan Institute of Engineering for Women. Then next, same Nellore, Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology. Everybody should reply so that the session will be more interactive and enjoyable. I think most of you from Nellore. Yeah, thank you for the responses. Okay, now let us have a basic intro about web development. Who are all type your responses until we will be discussing about what is web development, the basic, the word web development refers to. Can anybody have any idea regarding what the word web development refers to? You all selected the web development course. Is it right? Now, what the word web development refers to? Let me explain. Web development means creating websites and web applications. With the help of web development, we can able to create websites and then web applications with the help of web development. Any example for any website? I think all you will use Google for searching. Uh, Google also a website which is built with HTML and all. Let me show you something. Is my screen is visible? Yeah, let me show you. This is also a particular website which is designed by Google. Let me show you Google. Let me take any website. When you place Control U, you can able to see the HTML code which is used for this particular page web development. For building this particular page, this is the code which they have been written for showcasing the details of the particular page. For every website, the HTML will be the basic for building any web application. This is a website. This is a simple website. Can anybody? What is the difference between website and web application? What is a website and a web application? As I have said, like web development means creating websites and web application. Can anyone differentiate the difference between website and web application? Let me explain. Website is nothing but a simple HTML page. A simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript combinedly, we create a simple HTML website. The front end, which you see a simple landing, is known as a website. Web application is nothing but the application which have more backend features. Like this particular Google has is a web application. Google is a web application where we have so much of backend. When you search something, it will get from backend and then showcase the results over in the front end. So this is the main difference between website and a web application. The main difference is website is a simple landing, then web application will include the backend, front end and all. The main difference is that one. Now in this particular upcoming sessions, we are going to develop that type of applications. We are going to build both the websites and then web applications too. Uh, Simple examples like we are going to develop a example for a website is nothing but we are going to build an portfolio of yours with the help of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We are going to build your own portfolio. Portfolio is nothing but a simple website which will showcase all your information like your education details, your experience, your college details, and then your certifications and all. Where the place where you can showcase your entire information in a web page. This is known as a website. And then we are going to develop a web application too. We are going to design some of the web applications like e-commerce platform, and then we are going to build these applications in upcoming classes. Okay, is this clear? In this web development class, we are going to cover the topics such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, PHP, and then Laravel. We are going to cover these many 5 topics: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, SQL, and then Laravel. Okay, let us discuss one by one. What are all those? HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all. First of all, as I said, HTML. Do you have any knowledge about HTML? I think all are engineering students alone. In which year you are pursuing your degree? Are you from second year, third year, or fourth year? Please comment in the chat box. I want to know in which year you are pursuing your degree. Yeah, all are final year. So I think like everybody has gone through HTML topics. Is it right? In third year itself, the HTML, CSS, JavaScript will be included in the semester itself. So we are going to cover HTML as well. HTML is nothing but HTML is the structure of a website. With the help of HTML, we are going to build the structure of the website. It is like the skeleton of the body. HTML is like skeleton of the body. And then CSS. Why we use CSS? Can anyone abbreviate the abbreviation for CSS? And also for HTML? What is an HTML and then what is a CSS? Yeah, hypertext markup language. CSS stands for cascading style sheets. Yeah, why we use CSS? CSS is nothing but it will make the website looks beauty. With the help of CSS, we can make the website professional by applying styles to the HTML. Okay, then we will be learning about JavaScript. JavaScript is nothing but it will act like a brain for the HTML and CSS. It will act like a brain for the HTML and CSS. With the help of JavaScript, we can make the website more interactive. Interactive in the sense, if you click any button, something happening, and then when you submit a form, the validations, and then when you type, if you take any phone number input field, when you type ABCD in the phone number section, it will showcase a error. All this will be happen with the help of JavaScript. And then I want to say you like JavaScript is the one of the top most used language compared to other languages. As recently, all the frameworks will be using JavaScript like React.js, Next.js, Vue.js, Node.js, all are using JavaScript. Okay, then we are going to discuss about SQL. Can anyone abbreviate the full form of SQL? SQL, structured query language. We are going to discuss this particular SQL2 in this particular upcoming sessions. SQL will be act like a storage. It will act like a storage. It will store the data in the database, like user details, your login credentials, all will be stored in the particular database. And then we are going to discuss about PHP, hypertext preprocessor. PHP is nothing but it is handling the server side functionality. Server side functionality is nothing but the main motive of PHP is nothing but connecting your front end and SQL. It is the platform in between front end and database. Okay, then finally we are going to discuss about Laravel. Does anybody hear the word Laravel? Laravel is a framework. Framework is nothing but which follows MVC, model view controller architecture. All are known as frameworks. Laravel is also a framework which is based on PHP. If you know PHP, you can easily learn the Laravel framework. Frameworks are used to build large applications like e-commerce platforms, and then other large applications can be built with frameworks. It will be very easy to build applications, large applications with the help of frameworks. So in this particular session, we are going to learn about those framework too. We are going to cover Laravel framework, which is a PHP framework. As we are learning PHP, in the same way, we are going to cover those Laravel too. Okay, in the upcoming sessions, we are going to cover these many topics, and then we are going to work on live projects. We are going to create so many live projects. Some of the projects like e-commerce platforms to do applications with the help of backend and frontend, and then making your own portfolios and then hosting the particular portfolio where you can host your portfolio and get a shareable link. Let me know how many of you have your own portfolios. Hello, does anybody have any portfolios of yours? Nowadays, portfolio plays a vital role in getting a job. Portfolio is nothing but a simple HTML page where you can showcase all your details. Let me show you a simple portfolio. Okay, this is a simple portfolio where you can able to see he's describing about himself, like welcome, and then about features, and then some of the things. Let me show you some other template. Just have a look at this particular portfolio where he is describing about himself, about about his email, phone number, and then website, and then about section, and then experience, and then educational details, and then latest work, and then contact section. This is a simple portfolio. This is clear how a portfolio look like. In the upcoming classes, we are going to build your own portfolio and again hosting it in Chrome, where you can get an shareable link, where you can share that link. Everybody can see your portfolio. Okay, is my voice is clear? And then anything else? Should I change anything? Today is the first class, so I have not at all in showcase any code, and then other as well. In upcoming classes, we are going to do practically. We'll be performing all the concepts practically. Even simple things, we are going with practical examples and then performing everything in the live classes. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can raise in the chat session about your web development class so that I can clarify. Not regarding any code, just any doubts regarding the course and what are all the topics covered and all. Does anybody have any doubts regarding it? Yes, these sessions will be available in recorded sessions. I will be uploading these particular videos in YouTube, and then I will be sharing the link too. I will explain everything from scratch level. We'll be going in a pattern like first we'll be completing HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript, then SQL, then PHP, then Laravel. Okay, one by one we are going to learn. Any doubts? Okay, if you have any doubts, you can message in the WhatsApp group itself. I will reply. Okay, and then we'll wind up the session. Then we will be continuing with the other session. Okay, thank you.